Do you know the simple difference between a few and a little? Let's understand easily. A few used with countable nouns. A few means some, thodak. Examples: I have a few apples. મારી પાસે થોડાક સફરજન છે. He has a few cars. તેની પાસે થોડીક ગાડીઓ છે. A little used with uncountable nouns. A little means some, થોડું. Examples: There is a little milk. અહીં થોડું દૂધ છે. There is a little honey. અહીં થોડું મધ છે. So remember, a few equals some countable nouns. A little equals some uncountable nouns. ઇંગ્લિશ ગ્રામર ઇઝી છે, બટ પ્રેક્ટિસ તો કરવી પડે જ.